determine each of the following sets of vectors is linear dependent or independent. Example 1, Z given is in form of vector, first element based on 1 2 3 and second element based on 4 5 6 and third given 6 9 12. Set of element is the collection of vector. So method start. First of all, we convert in matrix set of vectors. First of all, the element of the given set convert in matrix form. So first element given in 1 2 3, first vector. Second element of the set represents second vector and given is 4 5 6. Third element of the set is third vector, represent 6 9 12 is equal to. Then we solve matrix A by using row elimination operator. You much familiar row elimination operator, which is also called Gaussian elimination method. So we apply row operation and get answer. If we get two pivots in given matrix, so we say that the given set is linear dependent, otherwise no linear. So here is we apply R2 minus 2R first row operation and second row operation R3 minus 3R1. So we get matrix element 1 0 0 4 minus 3 minus 6 6 3 minus 6. So apply second further element row operation on matrix element R3 minus 2 R1. So we get 1 0 0 4 minus 3 0 6 minus 3 0. So there are two non-zero equation. First pivot element of non-zero row, there are only two non-zero, 1 and minus 3. Two pivot element. So we can say that X is linear dependent. If we get 3, so we say that X is linear independent. Now come to in Maple command. In Maple we need software package. With I use package with student linear algebra. Basically I work under linear algebra, so we need to use this package. First element represent vector 1 and denoted as v1. Second element of the given set represent and v2 in form of vector. We can write in form of vector. So third element v3, third vector. That is, we need to these element v1 v2 v3 in form of vector convert in matrix form. So we put matrix command, so you get matrix. So we need to apply row elimination method, so also called Gaussian elimination method. This is row elimination method. Here is put command on A, so we get answer. You know very well Uh, in this command, after row operation, we get two pivot elements.